Right, these here are Tippy tops. They're just fun little toys that I bought these wooden ones off AliExpress. I think I must have bought about 80 of them for about 20 bucks. So they're very cheap. You can buy the metal ones, which are the high quality. But if you want to buy a class set, it's not that expensive, just get a whole lot of wooden ones. So there's a little bit of a knack to get them going. Hopefully, stuff that one up. Let's see if I can get this one going. Oh, it's going to disappear.
I thought it was going to stay.
Oh, maybe it wasn't. It's definitely going to disappear. Might run out. No. Oh, I think we're going to get this one. There we go. See, it's quite a knack to get these wooden ones going. The metal ones work a little bit better. But they're good fun for the kids just to have a play around with. If you were going to use them for your senior classes, you can use them for level 3 mechanics, any of the rotational, so angular momentum or rotational energy, you can discuss about them. But yeah, so these are cool Tippy tops, cheap little toys that you can buy on AliExpress, or you just search online called Tippy tops. This here is called a rattleback. Again, it's about 50 cents, so you can buy like a whole class set for not much money at all. Again, I bought this one here, I think, from AliExpress, although I think this is a Tedco one. I'm not sure where that was bought from. So they vary in price, but they're just a piece of plastic that's offset. So the center of mass is offset and they have a sort of weird shape. There's a video online by MIT lecturer who goes over the explanation for how they work, but they're quite fun. So if you spin it one way, it'll rattle back, it's in the name, and if you spin it the other way, it just spins and spins and spins. So these are just cheap, easy, fun toys that you can use as discussion points.